Welcome to AI Chef, where culinary tradition meets cutting-edge technology. Today, we're embarking on a journey to craft the ultimate sourdough pizza dough, using AI insights to elevate every step. Prepare for a taste of pizza perfection. Let's begin by building our foundation. In a large bowl, combine 200 grams of strong bread flour and 200 grams of OO flour. If OO flour isn't available, all-purpose flour will serve as a suitable substitute. A simple whisk ensures a uniform blend, preparing the stage for the culinary magic to come. Now, for the soul of our sourdough, the starter. In a separate bowl, combine 300 milliliters of lukewarm water, maintaining a temperature of around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with 100 grams of active sourdough starter. It should exhibit a bubbly and recently fed character, signifying its vigorous activity. Whisk gently until the starter is mostly dissolved, unlocking its full flavorful potential. Time for the autolyse, an optional, yet strongly recommended, step. Introduce the water and starter mixture to the flour. Mix either by hand or on low speed in a mixer, only until just combined, ensuring no dry flour remains. Cover the bowl securely and allow it to rest for 30 to 60 minutes. This period enables the flour to fully hydrate, fostering strength and extensibility within the dough. AI analysis suggests that this resting phase facilitates enzymatic breakdown of complex starches, converting them into simple sugars readily accessible to the yeast. Post-autolyse, it's time to incorporate salt and olive oil. Introduce 10 grams of fine sea salt and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to the dough. These ingredients contribute crucial flavor and significantly influence the dough's final texture. The salt regulates the yeast activity, while the oil promotes a beautifully softer crust. Now, for the physical aspect. Knead the dough manually for 8 to 10 minutes, or utilize a stand mixer with the dough hook attachment at medium speed for 6 to 8 minutes. The dough should transform into a smooth, elastic, and subtly tacky masterpiece. This crucial process cultivates the gluten structure, essential for achieving a delightful chewy crust. Place the skillfully kneaded dough into a lightly oiled large bowl, ensuring every surface is generously coated. Cover the bowl securely with plastic wrap or a fitted lid. Here, time and temperature synergize to perform their wonders. Allow the dough to undergo bulk fermentation at room temperature, optimally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for a duration of 4 to 6 hours, or until it has visibly doubled in size. During the initial 2 to 3 hours of bulk fermentation, implement stretch and folds at intervals of 30 to 60 minutes. This straightforward technique enhances strength and structure within the dough, resulting in an improved rise and a more open crumb texture. It also effectively redistributes the gases produced during fermentation, leading to a uniformly even texture. Gently invert the fermented dough onto a lightly floured surface. Utilizing a dough scraper, carefully divide the dough into 4 equal portions, each weighing approximately 200 to 220 grams. Precision in this step guarantees consistent pizza sizes. Now, skillfully shape each portion of dough into a tightly formed, round ball. This shaping technique cultivates surface tension, a critical factor in achieving an optimal rise and a perfectly sculpted pizza crust. Envision this step as sculpting your own edible masterpiece. Place each dough ball into its own lightly oiled individual dough box or container, or alternatively, utilize bowls. Seal each container tightly. Now, the true transformation begins. Refrigerate the dough balls for a minimum of 24 hours, extending up to 48 hours. This prolonged cold proofing period fosters the development of complex flavors and significantly enhances the dough's overall texture. Our AI models indicate that a 36-hour cold ferment period yields the most desirable and nuanced flavor profiles in our sourdough. And there you have it. Your sourdough pizza dough is now poised for its transformative cold proofing journey. In our next installment, we'll transform these carefully crafted dough balls into mouthwatering, restaurant-caliber pizzas. Stay tuned for the delicious finale. That concludes this episode of AI Chef. We've journeyed through the art of crafting sourdough pizza dough, guided by the forefront of AI technology. Remember, the complete recipe details, with precise measurements, are readily available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures.